Now here we have to find x, y, a and b if the two matrices are equal. So if two matrices are equal, then the corresponding elements are also equal, and that is called property of equality of matrices. So we could state, by equality of matrices, we could equate the corresponding terms and hence find the missing values. Okay, let us look at the x and y terms. So we could get 2x minus 3y equal to 1. Let us name this as equation 1. And we have one more xy term. So x plus 4y equal to 6. Equation number 2. Now we equalize the coefficients of x. So we basically solve them simultaneously. So in order to make this 2x, we multiply equation 2 by 2. So multiplying by 2, we get 2x plus 8y equal to 12. And then we write down the first equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 1. We subtract the two equations. So 2x gets cancelled out. Now 8y plus 3y, so that is 11y is equal to 11. So y is equal to 1. Now we can substitute this value in equation 1 or in 2 and obtain the value of x. So we could say from equation 2, x plus 4 times y, that is 4 times 1, is equal to 6. So x plus 4 equal to 6. So from here we obtain x equal to 2. So we have obtained the values of x and y. Now we focus on obtaining the values of a and b. So let us look at the a and b terms here. So a minus b. So you could also equate this now. Also a minus b is equal to minus 2. Let us call this as equation 3. And we have one more term here. 3a plus 4b equal to 29. Equation number 4. Now let us equalize the coefficient of a. So we multiply this equation 3 by 3, and let's see what we get. So we have 3a minus 3b equal to minus 6, and we bring down equation 4. So 3a plus 4b equal to 29, and we subtract the two equations. So 3a gets cancelled out. This becomes minus 7b, and this is minus 35. So the value for b is equal to 5. Now from equation 3 we could obtain the value for a. So from equation number 3, a minus b, that is a minus 5, is equal to minus 2. So a is equal to minus 2 plus 5. So the value for a is equal to 3. And hence we have obtained all the four values. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, a is equal to 3, and b is equal to 5. So these are the required values.